I'm Richard Jelfs from AJ Wells & Sons. We are a family-run engineering business based on the Isle of Wight. For almost 50 years, AJ Wells & Sons have been producing some of the most efficient and environmentally friendly wood-burning stoves in the world. We also have the UK's largest vitreous enamelling plant, where we produce vitreous enamel signs notably for London Underground and the Paris Metro. During the past 50 years, sustainability has extended beyond the manufacturing process to every aspect of the company, from choosing local, British, raw materials and recycling packaging, to the way we heat our factory and offices, to the transportation of our materials and products, and to the way that we visit our customers. Our latest product uses intelligent microprocessor technology to monitor the fire and ensure that settings are adjusted to minimise emissions and maximise efficiency. This has decreased emissions by over 90% and increased efficiency to well over 80%.